Hello students, myself Mukesh Kumar Seetpal, Assistant Professor, School of Agriculture, ITM University, Gwalior. Today I am going to discuss about calculation of area of regular and irregular fields. Area. The land is always bought and sold on the basis of cost per unit area, per square feet or per square meter. For road and railways, land is to be acquired on the basis of area. Like that, some units of area are given here, like hectare. So 1 hectare is a plot of square of 100 meter by 100 meter area. So then we multiply both of these terms, then we get 10,000 or 10 to the power 4. So 1 hectare have 10,000 square meter. 1 square kilometer. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and square kilometer is means 1000 meter multiplied by 1000 meter. So it is equal to 10 lakh square meter or 10 to the power 6 square meter. So 1 square kilometer area is equal to 100 hectare, and 1 hectare is equal to 2.47 acre of the land, and 1 acre land is equal to 4048 meter square. Computation area of a regular figure or regular field. What is regular figure? A field that having a regular shape like triangle, rectangle, trapezium. These type of land are called regular figure. For the computation of the area of that type of land, we use some formulas to calculate the area of the land. Like, first is triangle. If our land is like a triangle, then we calculate the area by a formula 1 by 2 base into height. Okay, where b is the base width of triangle and h is the height of triangle. Some other formula that is called Harrow's formula is also used for calculation of area of triangle. Area A is equal to under root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, where a, b, c are the sides of the triangle, and s is equal to semi perimeter, that is equal to average of the sum of sides. Okay, a plus b plus c by 2. Second is rectangle. If our land is rectangle and b is the width and d is the depth of rectangle, then area is equal to b into d. For a trapezium field, if our area is trapezium, then area A is equal to h1 plus h2 divided by 2 into d, where d is equal to distance between two parallel sides and h1 and h2 is equal to length of the parallel sides. Area of irregular fields. For this purpose, from a survey line, offsets are taken at a regular interval and area is calculated by any one of the following methods. Here 4 methods are given. On the basis of that, we can calculate the area of any irregular field. One is mid-ordinate rule, second is average ordinate rule, third is trapezoidal rule, and fourth one is Simpson rule. It is also called Simpson one-third rule. First is mid-ordinate rule. So this method is used with the assumption that the boundary between the extremities of the ordinates are straight line. Means to join the boundaries of the land, it is on the straight line. If this happens, then only this formula is used for the calculation of the area of land. Then area is equal to average ordinate multiplied by the length of baseline. What is ordinate? Suppose this line is our baseline. Okay. What is baseline? Baseline actually is a line on which all the framework of the survey is laid on. So that line is called baseline. From these baselines, these are the lengths taken to the right or left of this baseline. These lengths are called offsets. Okay. So to calculate the area of this land, here D is the distance between each division. Okay. And L is the total length of this baseline, that is equal to distance of one division multiplied by number of divisions. Okay, so the number of division is equal to n, so length L is equal to n into D. Okay, then area A is equal to O1 plus O2 plus O3 summation of all the offsets divided by number of divisions multiplied by L, and L is equal to n into D. So n is cancelled here and D is remained. So O1 plus O2 plus O3 plus dot On is equal to summation of offsets, and here only D is remaining, so it is multiplied by D. This is the actual formula of calculation of the area by mid-ordinate rule. Here some things that is important. In mid-ordinate rule, we take the ordinate at mid of these two offsets or ordinates. Suppose we want to take any offset in this section, so we draw a line from middle of this section like that, and which is equal to average of O0 plus O1. Suppose O0 is 1 and O1 is equal to 2. So 1 plus 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 3 by 2, means 1.5 is your first offset, and this is 2 and this is 1, so again it is 1.5. Okay, like that we calculate the mid ordinate of each division. Second is average ordinate rule. It is also assumes the same assumption like previous method. This also assumes the boundary between the extremities of ordinates are straight line. Then area A is equal to average ordinate multiplied by the length of baseline. Area A is equal to O1 plus O2 plus O3 dot On divided by n plus 1 into L. Okay, so L divided by n plus 1, and these terms O1 plus O2 plus O3 dash On is the summation of ordinates. Okay, so summation of O is called sum of ordinates, n is number of divisions, D is the distance of each division, and L is the baseline length, which is equal to ND. The formula is all just like similar to mid-ordinate rule, but the difference is that here the offsets that are given in this question, these are not mid-ordinates, these are mean ordinates, like what is O1, what is O2, what is O3, like that. So this is the main difference between mid ordinate rule and average ordinate rule. Third one is trapezoidal rule. If there are n plus 1 ordinates at n equal distances d, then total length L is equal to n into d. Then the area of each segment is calculated and treated as trapezium. So in this rule we assumes that each division is like a trapezium, and then we calculate the area. So like first division, here the ordinates O0 plus O1, है ना. What is the formula of trapezium? H1 plus H2 divided by 2 into D. But here H1 is equal to O1, O0, and H2 is O1. So O0 plus O1 divided by 2 and multiplied by distance T of each division, that is given. Like that we add all the divisions of that are given in this question. At the end we take D outside of this section and resolve or reduce this equation, and finally we will get the equation area A is equal to O0 plus ON. ON means last offset or O0 means first offset, divided by 2 plus sum of remaining offsets in bracket closed. It is multiplied by a term T, that is called distance of each division. So by this way we can calculate the area of any field by using trapezoidal rule. Fourth one is Simpson rule, or it is also called Simpson 1/3 rule. So in this method the boundary line between two segments is assumed parabolic. So the boundary of any field is assumed as it is a parabolic shape. Okay. First two segments in which boundary between the ordinates it assumes parabolic. Some assumptions that are assumes in this method is that this formula that is given in this question is applicable only if the number of segments are even. So number of segments are even when given number of ordinates are odd. Okay, so this method is only applicable. But if the number of division is odd, then n minus segment, then for n minus segment area is calculated by Simpson rule, and for the last segment trapezoidal rule is applied. Suppose we have given 7 number of segments. Okay, then we calculate the area between 1 to 6 number of segment by Simpson rule, and the area between 6th and 7th is calculated by trapezoidal rule. Then we add the area, whole area, to calculate the area of whole field. We have to add the area of segment 1 to 6 by Simpson rule plus the area between 6 to 7 by trapezoidal rule to calculate the whole area of the field. This is the basic things, that is main thing of this Simpson rule. Here a numerical is given. The perpendicular offset taken at 10 meter interval from a survey line to an irregular boundaries are 2.18 meter, 3.2 meter, 4.26 meter, 6.2 meter, 4.8 meter, 7.20 meter, 8.8 meter, 8.2 meter and 5.2 meter. Determine the area enclosed between the boundary, survey line, the first and last offsets by all the methods. Okay, so here the offsets are given, then you have to calculate the area. So first method is average ordinate rule. So the formula of area is equal to summation of ordinates multiplied by L divided by n plus 1. Okay, so what is, how to calculate L? L is equal to n into d. Then what is n? Number of division. So between two readings there will be one division. So 2.18 and 3.2, one division, two division, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here the number of division will be 8. Okay, so you can calculate the number of division by escaping the first ordinate and count the number of ordinates that are given by escaping first one, then that will be the number of divisions. So number of division will be 8 and distance between one division is 10 meter. So 10 multiplied by 8, that is equal to L, and divided by n plus 1. So n plus 1 means 8 plus 1. So here some correction to be made. And then summation of offsets. Summation of offsets means all the readings that you have given, add all of these. Okay, so you will get the answer 500.04 meter square. After that, trapezoidal rule. The formula of calculation of trapezoidal rule is area is equal to O0 plus On divided by 2 plus O1 plus O2 plus that On minus 1 into D. So O0 is first reading and On is last reading. So first reading is 2.18 plus 5.20 divided by 2 plus add the remaining terms like 3.2, 4.26, 6.2, 4.8, 7.2, 8.8 and 8.2. And D, what is D? D is equal to 10. Then solve this equation, then you will get the answer 463.5 meter square. Third method is Simpson rule or Simpson method. The formula is D by 3 O0 plus O8 plus 4 into summation of odd offsets plus 2 into summation of even offsets. Okay, then how can you estimate that this is even number and this is odd number? So first offset is always assigned with O0, then O1, O2, O3, O4, O5, O6, O7 and O8. Okay, like that. First offset plus last offset. So first offset is 2.18 and last offset is 5.2 plus 4 into odd. So odd is first, third, fifth and 7th plus 2 into odd, 2 into even. So even is second, fourth and 6th. So by calculating these, and D is equal to 10 divided by 3, by calculating this equation you will get the area 474.33 meter square. So in this question there is some correction. 8 plus 1, here 8 plus 1 is will be, and you can calculate this answer is wrong. Okay, so you can correct it by using calculator. So thank you. If you have any doubts related with this PPT or this topic, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp number and my email ID. Okay, thank you.